Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to program your Mac 6 ESC. First, ensure your ESC is disconnected from the battery. You'll need your ESC, a programming card, and your radio transmitter. Connect the programming card to the ESC's fan port, power on your radio, and then the ESC. This sequence is crucial for proper communication. We'll then navigate through the basic menu options to get started. Make sure all connections are secure before proceeding. Now let's dive into calibration. Begin by calibrating your throttle range. This ensures your ESC understands your radio's full input. Next, check your motor direction. If it's spinning the wrong way, you can easily reverse it through the programming card. Finally, set your battery cutoff voltage. This critical step protects your battery from overdischarge, extending its lifespan and maintaining performance. Always double-check these settings before running your vehicle. Moving on to advanced features, let's look at punch control. Adjusting this setting can smooth out your acceleration, preventing wheelies and improving traction. Next, consider your drag brake. This feature helps slow your vehicle when you release the throttle, offering more precise control, especially in turns. Lastly, for those seeking maximum speed, explore turbo timing. Properly configured, it can significantly boost your top-end performance, giving you that extra edge on the track. Finally, let's cover some troubleshooting and essential tips. If you encounter issues, always recheck your connections and ensure your radio is properly bound. Proper ESC cooling is vital for longevity and consistent performance, so consider adding a fan if needed. Remember, a well-maintained ESC performs best. And speaking of things that last, life's too short for cheap socks. For ultimate comfort and durability, check out Darn Tough Socks with a lifetime warranty. You can find a link to those, along with other great deals, in the description below this video.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.